Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Python career paths. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or looking to pivot your career, understanding where Python can take you is the first step. Today, we will explore the three major pillars of the Python ecosystem: development, data science, and artificial intelligence. Before we dive into the specific roles, let's talk about why Python is such a powerful choice. First, it is incredibly easy to learn compared to other languages, reading almost like plain English. Second, it is versatile. You can build almost anything with it. And most importantly, the demand for Python skills is skyrocketing across top tech companies worldwide. The Python job market is broadly divided into three main categories. First is development, which involves building software and applications. Second is data science, where you analyze information to drive decisions. And third is artificial intelligence and machine learning, focusing on creating smart systems. Let's break these down one by one. Let's start with the role of a Python developer. In this path, your primary focus is on building the backend logic of web applications. Creating APIs that allow different software to talk to each other, and writing scripts to automate boring tasks. Key roles include backend engineer, full-stack developer, and software engineer. To succeed as a developer, you will need to master specific tools. For web frameworks, Django and Flask are industry standards. You will also need a strong grasp of databases like SQL and essential tools like Git for version control and Docker for containerization. These are the daily drivers for any professional software engineer. Moving on to the second path, data analytics and science. Here, the goal is to turn raw, messy data into clear, actionable insights. You will spend your time cleaning datasets, performing statistical analysis, and creating visualizations that help businesses understand their performance and future trends. The data science toolbox is powerful. Pandas is your go-to for manipulating data tables. NumPy handles complex mathematical calculations. For visualization, libraries like Matplotlib help you plot graphs, and you will likely write your code in Jupyter notebooks, which allow you to combine code, output, and notes in one place. The third and most rapidly evolving path is artificial intelligence and machine learning. This involves designing algorithms that can learn from data to make predictions or decisions. Concepts like neural networks and deep learning are central here, powering everything from recommendation engines to self-driving cars. In the AI space, you won't be building from scratch. You will use powerful frameworks like TensorFlow from Google and PyTorch from Facebook. Scikit-learn is excellent for traditional machine learning algorithms. Recently, working with large language model APIs has also become a massive part of the industry. Beyond the big three, Python is everywhere else too. DevOps engineers use it for cloud automation. Cybersecurity professionals use it for penetration testing. QA engineers use it to write automated tests for software. Even in blockchain, Python plays a role in smart contracts and analysis. So, how do you decide? If you love building tangible products and logic, go for development. If you enjoy math, statistics, and finding truth in numbers, data science is for you. If you are fascinated by automation and predicting the future, choose a I remember. The core skills are the same, so you can always pivot later. Ready to start? Begin by mastering the basics of Python syntax. Then, pick one of the paths we discussed and start building real projects. Don't just watch videos, write code. Build a portfolio on GitHub to show off your work. The best time to start your career in Python is right now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.